So, nandito kami ngayon sa titingnan namin yung kung anong room kami i-assign.
Pasali. Pasali.
So guys, ngayon meron na kaming room. So pupunta kami sa 4206 number.
We just had our simple breakfast.
So tara.
And then we're going to our room now. So we can...
Tara na. Sorry. So, this is the CR. Oh, may bathrobe, cabinet, safe the deposit. So, may mga drawers, may 2 slippers,
Biro mo, alam
hangers.
lang pala.
So, meron dito coffee, bar. Tapos, may mini fridge. Oh, sarado. Baka daw lagyan ng alak.
Are you sure sarado?
I don't think so. Then, this is the twin bedroom. Ito yung binook sa amin. So, may balcony siya, no?
Yeah.
So, let's check natin yung balcony.
There's a balcony over there.
Okay.
Good for people who are smoking, but good for us who are smoking.
Ano to buksan? Ah, bubong. Walang view. Ang nakakatawa guys, may panty na nagtapon doon.
Ano yun? Bakit may panty?
May panty.
Sayang
Oo, ang
na
ganda
kung
ng
doon
dagat
sana,
doon, oh.
Ang view.
Oo nga eh.
Ayun, casino. There's casino over there.
Ayan, casino.
Oh, may sampayan na.
So, nasa 4th floor kami. Ayun.
There's ano, sampayan. Hi! Buti na may
Ayun. Alas 8 mag-start ng event namin. So, kailangan alas 8 makabalik ako doon. So, kita-kita tayo ulit mamaya. Hi, sir. So, papunta na kami ng seminar. Kasama ko si Sir
Kev.
Sir Kev. Ayan, alas 8 ng umaga ang call time namin doon. Sa unang araw namin dito sa J Park Island ng Amosop Cruise Seminar Training. Okay guys. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Triton Ballroom Hall. Nakaupo na kami dito, so para kami mga judges.
Mga ka-milkshake. Magandang araw sa inyo.
Magandang araw sa inyo. Kami mga judges.
Criteria pa.
Hindi ka na. Wala. Napatalon niya ako kahapon. Hindi ka na. Uy, sabi natin yun ah. Ako na to. Basta tama ko lang oh. Uy! Konti na lang eh. 48 na eh.
During the seminar, please place your mobile phones on silent mode. Once again, kindly place it on silent mode at all times. Participants must be
Mr. Miami or ano, Mr. Johan Oyen.
Welcome to Cebu. My name is Yuan Oyen. I'm the former director of Future Placement for the Norwegian Seafarers Union and the chair of the IDF Future Task Force. So I'm really here just to observe the proceedings. Thank you.
Union. I'm based in Oslo. I'm originally from London, and I'm doing a lot of casework, ship visits, and I'm involved in the seminar too. I'm really looking forward to hearing all your stories and having some fun over the next few days. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Amani, and
I'm a coordinator for the Italian Inspectorate, and I'm representing the Italian Union Fisheries here. Enjoy this round. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Chodi Alcantara. I'm the medical director of Amusuk Siemens Hospital, Cebu. So, welcome to everyone, and then I hope you have a fruitful and enjoyable seminar this year. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Jim Gonzalez. I'm from Cebu, Hospital Administrator of Siemens Hospital. So, welcome to all. Hope to receive the experience.
in Amusuk Siemens Hospital, Manila. As you may know, we have different health facilities all over the country. We have originally in Manila, Cebu, Iloilo, Davao, and recently in Bacolod, and ongoing, soon to be constructed is in Cagayan de Oro. So I'm with the company for 36 years. So we're just here.
appreciating to be here. I have heard about the history of Cebu. I have heard that Lapu-Lapu killed Magellan. Amusuk, HF, and Fishes. What do you think? Is it 6? 69. HR or your crew person or your supervisor detected.
Crew supply units. I love Amusuk. And I have to say that for all the crew supply units,
Do you feel discriminated?
Yeah, I felt offended.